Good morning, grade 4. I will be teaching you English for today, and I am teacher Camille. But before we start our lesson, I have here a song, and I want you to watch how I perform the song, okay? After that, you'll perform it. Okay, are we good? Okay, very good. Now let's start the song. I am me. You are you and I are we. You and I becomes we. She is a girl. He is a boy. He and she are they. He and she becomes they. I, me, you and they. He, she, you and it. Okay. Now that you already saw how I sing the song, I want you to sing it once again. Very good, grade 4. You really observe how I perform the song. Good job! So, who among you here still remember the lesson last meeting? Okay, very good. It's about the three kinds of nouns. The first one is mass and count nouns. Who among you here still remember what is mass and count nouns? Okay, how about mass? What is it? Very good. Mass refers to the nouns that cannot be counted, while the count nouns are the nouns that can be counted. So, for example of mass nouns, what is it? Nouns that cannot be counted. Yes, very good. A kilo of rice. Very good. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we can't count that one. How about in count nouns? Can you give me an example? Very good. 1 ball. Okay. Very good. 1 pair of shoes. What else? What else? Yes. 1 sack of rice. Very good, grade 4. How about, who can still remember what is possessive noun? Yes. Who can still remember what is possessive nouns? Very good. Possessive noun refers to a noun that expresses possession or ownership of something. So we add an apostrophe or S apostrophe. If it is plural, very good. Now, who can give me an example, a sentence using possessive nouns? Yes? Very good. That is Carl's shoes. Very good. Another example. Yes, very good. That is Mary's laptop. Very good. Now, who can still remember the other type or other kind of noun that was discussed last meeting? Yes, very good. It is collective nouns. So, what is collective nouns? Yes, very good. Collective noun refers to a group or a whole unit of person, animals, places, and objects. So, who can give me an example? Yes, very good. It's a flock of birds is an example of collective nouns. What else? What else? So, another example of collective noun is very good. A pack of noodles or a set of toys. Very good. So, before we start our lesson, I have here our reminders. All you have to do is follow the reminders for us to be focused and we can finish the lesson properly, okay? So first is find a place free from distraction, okay? For example, the next one is be respectful at all times. No inappropriate or no hand gesture, okay? To avoid distractions to your classmates, okay? So the third one is stay mute. Click the raise hand button if you have a question or something to say. Okay? If you have important things to say or you want to ask something, you just have to click the raise hand button, okay? That is in your screen in Google Meet, okay? The last one is stay on task and focus so you don't miss anything the teacher says, okay? So you can follow or you can stay focused in listening to me. Okay, so I have here a sentence or a paragraph. Okay, this is Syra is a helpful kid. Syra always volunteers to carry the teacher's book. Syra also likes to clean the classroom even if it's not Syra's turn to clean. So what have you observed in the sentences or in the paragraph? Yes, very good. The name or the subject, Syra, always repeating or it is repeating in every sentence in the paragraph. So, our lesson for today will help us to avoid redundancy or repeating in a paragraph, repeating subjects in a paragraph. So, our lesson for today is about personal pronoun. So, before we find the meaning of personal pronouns, do you still remember what is pronoun means? Yes, very good. Pronouns are used to replace noun to avoid repetitions, just like what we have read in the paragraph. So, what is personal pronouns now? Personal pronouns are the basic pronouns used in place of a person, place, animals, or things. Okay, so personal pronouns are used to avoid redundancy or repetition in a sentences or in a paragraph. So, we have pronouns, personal pronouns, the he, him, I, us, you, she, they, we, her, and it. Okay. So, personal pronoun can stand as, first is the first person. Okay. Second is second person. And the last one is personal pronoun can stand as third person. So, first person refers to the person speaking. So, in the first person speaking, it has singular and plural form of a noun. Okay, in a singular form of a noun, we can use I. Okay, I, because it is stand as you speaking or me speaking to someone. I'm the speaker of the sentence. So, I is used if the noun is singular. So, I have here an example. I am answering my activity. So, I there stands for the person speaking. Okay, we have another example. I still have Laika's picture in my wallet. So, I also there stands as the person or the person speaking. Okay, so, in the first person, I is used if it is singular. So, now we will go to plural form of a noun. So, I have here a sentence. Leo and I walked on our way home yesterday. So, what do you think is a pronoun that we can replace to Leo and I? Okay, who can give me an answer? Yes, very good. We can use the personal pronoun we. Okay. So the sentence now is we walked on our way home yesterday. Okay. So it is still you have two subjects, but the other subject is you and Leo. Okay. So the subject or the personal pronoun we there, this pronoun is used if the sentence has two or more subjects or if it is in plural form. Okay? Always remember that one. So I have here an example. Leia and I will go shopping today. So who can give me the answer of how to replace Lilia and I? to another personal pronouns? Yes, very good. The sentence will go like, we will go shopping today. So, Lilia and I. Still, you are the person speaking, but you are with someone. You are with Lilia. Very good. So, another kind of personal that stands as the second person. So, what is second person? So, second person refers to the person the speaker is talking to. Okay. Second person is someone who are you talking with, or you are describing someone. That is the second person, or you are telling someone like this and that, but and that is second person, or the person the speaker is talking to or referring to. So I have an example. I said Mia will go to the principal later. Okay, what do you think is the personal pronouns that we can use to replace Mia there? Yes, very good. So the personal pronoun you will be used is you. So the sentence will go like this. I said you will go to the principal later. Okay, so the pronoun you, this pronoun is used if the noun is in singular form. So in second person, we also have a noun in singular and plural form. So in singular form, we can use you. So the sentence is, I said Mia will go to the principal later. And the substitution of Mia will be you. So the sentence will go like, I said you will go to the principal later. Okay, very good. So I have here another example. Noel said Ria should follow the rules in solving. Okay, who can change the subject there into you? Who can make the sentence? Okay, very good. Noel said you should follow the rules in solving. So you there stands as the person talking to, or the person you are referring to. So it is the second person. Okay, very good. So let us go back to this paragraph that we have read a while ago. The paragraph is, Syra is a helpful kid. Syra always volunteers to carry the teacher's book. Syra also likes to clean the classroom even if it's not Syra's turn to clean. Okay, so again, the subject Syra there is repeating. Okay, so what do you think is the personal pronoun that we can use to replace Syra? Okay, we will replace Syra there. Okay, so in the first sentence, Syra is a helpful kid. To be able for us to know that Syra there is the subject, we will retain the Syra, the subject Syra in the first sentence, which is Syra is a helpful kid, for us to know that Syra is the subject of the paragraph. So in the next sentence is, Syra always volunteers to carry the teacher's book. So what do you think is the personal pronoun that we can use to replace Syra as the subject? Yes, Syra is a girl. What do you think is the subject or pronoun that we can use? Yes, very good. If Syra is a girl, we should use she. So now, the sentence will be, she always volunteers to carry the teacher's book. Yes, very good. Now, in the third sentence, Syra also likes to clean the classroom even if it's not... okay. Syra also likes to clean the classroom. Okay, so again, we will use she because Syra is a girl and she is in singular form. The noun there is in singular form. So we should use she. And now in this another sentence, she also likes to clean the classroom even if it's not Cyrus' turn to clean. So what do you think is the pronoun that we can use to replace Cyrus' turn to clean? Yes, very good. It is her turn to clean. So the sentence will go like, she also likes to clean the classroom, even if it's not her turn to clean. So now, as you can see in the paragraph does not repeat the subject. Very good. The second sentence is using the pronoun she because Syra is a girl. And the second also is she. While the third pronoun that we can use in the third sentence is her because Syra is also a girl. So we will use her. And we are referring to her as the second person. Okay, very good. So we have another personal pronoun that can stand as the third person. So the third person is the person or the thing that the speaker is talking to. So it is the subject or it is the thing or the person you are talking about. So it is the subject of the sentence. It is what you are or what is the subject in your sentence that you are referring to. Okay. So we have for male. So male, the sentence is Ralph is an athlete. What do you think is the pronoun that we can use to replace Ralph as the subject of this sentence? Yes, very good. Because Ralph is a boy, we can use he. Because it is for male, he is used for male. So the sentence will go like this. He is an athlete. Very good. How about this one? Ryan called Mark a while ago. What do you think is a personal pronoun that we can use to replace Mark as the third person in the sentence that you are referring to or talking about? Yes, very good. We can use him. So the sentence will be, Ryan called him a while ago. So, we also have for females. So the sentence is, Ella is making a cookies. So Ella is a female. So what do you think is the pronoun that we can use if Ella is a female or a girl? Yes, very good. We can use the pronoun she. So the sentence will be, she is making a cookies. Very good. So how about in the sentence? Corinne is Mina's daughter. Again, Corinne is Mina's daughter. So what do you think is the pronoun that we can replace to Mina's? Yes, very good. Corinne is her daughter. So, the personal pronoun her there stand as the third person or the speaker is talking about. So, Corinne is her daughter, Mina's daughter. Okay. So, we can use he and him for male if we are talking about third person or a person or a thing that the speaker is talking about. So, we can use the pronoun he or him because it uses or it possesses the so he, him, her, and she are used if the third person or the person or the thing that the speaker is talking about is in singular form. Okay. So now, we will go to another sentence. So the boat sailed in the sea. So what is a boat? Yes, very good. A boat is a thing. So what do you think is the personal pronoun that we can use to replace a subject or a noun if it is a thing? What do you think is the personal pronoun we can use? Yes, very good. We can use the personal pronoun it. So the sentence is, you can give me the sentence now. Yes, very good. It sailed in the sea. The previous sentence is the boat sailed in the sea. And now, we replace the boat into it. So now the sentence is, it sailed in the sea. Okay? So the word it there is used if the noun is a thing or if it has no gender or the gender is not mentioned. Okay? So, it is used if it is a thing. I have another example. I'll use the book later. So, the word there, the book. Do you know what is it? Yes, very good. The book there is a thing. And we don't know what is the gender. I have another example. I'll use the book later. So, the word there, the book. Do you know what is it? Yes, very good. The book there is a thing. And we don't know what is the gender. And we all know that book has no gender. So, we will use the it pronoun or the pronoun it. So, the sentence will be, I'll use it or the book later. So, the noun the book will be replaced with it. Okay, very good. I'll use it later. Okay, very good. And now, I have here another example. Kathy and her friends are planning to start a fundraising event. So, what do you think is a pronoun that we can use to replace the subject Kathy and her friends? What do you think is the pronoun we can use? Yes, very good. We can use the pronoun they. So, we can give me the sentence using the pronoun they. Yes, very good. They are planning to start a fundraising event. Very good. So, they is used if a noun is in plural form. So, since Kathy and her friends are in plural form, we should use the pronoun they. Okay, very good now. And now we also have another example. So, Haley and Harley are twins. So, what do you think is the personal pronoun that we can use? Yes, it is the same with Kathy and her friends. The pronoun they. So, the sentence will be, they are twins. Yes. So now, in a paragraph, Syra is a helpful kid. She always volunteers to carry the teacher's book. Syra also likes to clean the classroom even if it's not her turn to clean. So, the Syra there, or the subject Syra, is the antecedent of the paragraph. Antecedents are the nouns or a subject used in a sentence. Okay, are we clear now? So, antecedents or subjects or noun are the same. Okay? So, in using personal pronouns, we should always remember these things. First is, pronoun replaces the noun, and proper noun to make communication less choppy. Okay, so it's understandable. Dili na ta maglibog. Very good. The other reminder is antecedents are the nouns or the subject used in a sentence. So pronouns are used to replace it. Pronouns are used to replace the antecedents or the subject of the sentence. So we should always remember that reminder because it is the most important thing that we should remember in learning about personal pronouns. So the last one is using personal pronouns and antecedents properly makes your speaking and writing more clear. So just like the sentence, Syra is a helpful kid. Syra loves to read in the library, like that. So the word or the subject Syra there is redundant, or it is in repeating motion. So we should use the personal pronouns to avoid repetition in the sentence, and so we can replace the antecedents using pronouns. Okay, are we clear about that? Yes, very good, grade 4. So now I have here a quiz. Just get half a piece of paper and pencil. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the following, okay? So the timer will start now. And the direction is, construct a sentence using the given pronoun. Okay. Very good. And now, the 5 minutes of answering the quiz will start now. Good luck, grade 4.
5 minutes, here we go.
So the 5 minutes ends now. So we will now answer your activity. So the first personal pronoun is we. So who can give me the answer in the personal pronoun we? Yes, very good. We are playing dolls. Very good. Or, yes, that's correct. We are answering the quiz. Okay, so much for that. And now, we have another personal pronoun, the she. Yes, very good. She is dancing. That's correct. That's the correct usage of the personal pronoun she. Now we have another personal pronoun, the they. What do you think is the um is a sentences that we can construct to the personal pronoun they? Yes, they are playing in the park. So the they there is in plural form. So daghan sila. While the she is the only one or the second person. And while the we there is plural form of a personal pronoun, first person, stands as first person. And now the fourth one is it, the personal pronoun it. Who can give me their sentence, their answer in the number 4, the personal pronoun it? Yes, very good. And now we have another quiz. So, the direction is underline the correct pronoun used in each sentences. So, I will give you 5 minutes to answer the 10 item quiz. And the timer starts now. Good luck, grade 4.
5 minutes. Here we go.
now let us answer your activity. So again, the directions: underline the correct pronoun in each sentences. Okay, the first number is we are eating salad. What do you think is the answer there? Yes, very good. We can use the pronoun we to replace the noun. So the answer there is we. So the sentence, they blame us for losing the game. We can use the pronoun. Yes, very good. We can use the pronoun us. So us is the pronoun we can use. So the third number is I asked them, they, to help my sister. What do you think is the answer there? Yes, very good. I asked them to help my sister. Very good, grade 4. And now, in the fourth sentence, I'm taking the book. What do you think is the answer there? Yes, very good. Very good. I am taking the book. So, the fifth sentence is they, them are planning to go on a vacation. What do you think is the answer there? Yes, very good. We can use the personal pronoun they. So the sentence will be they are planning to go on a vacation. Very good. And now we will go to number 6. Make sure you get her purse back. Yes, very good. We can use the pronoun you there. Very good. So make sure you get her purse back. So we will go to number 7. He is currently playing basketball. What do you think is the answer there? Yes, very good. He is currently playing basketball. And now we will go to number 8. So now we will go to number 8. I believe you owe me an explanation. What do you think is the answer there? Yes, very good. I believe you owe me an explanation. Very good, grade 4. So how about in number 9? You is inside the lunchbox. What do you think is the answer there? Yes, very good. It is inside the lunchbox. Very good. So in number 10, Sean and you or me will play the guitar. What do you think is the answer there? Is it the you or the me? Yes, very good, grade 4. It is me. So the sentence would be Sean and me will play the guitar. Very good, grade 4. Just keep it up and you will perfect or you will master the using of personal pronouns. So, before we end our class, I have here your assignment. So, I will be posting this in your Neo. So, the direction would be encircle the pronoun that can replace the underlined word. So, just send me your answers in the drop box, okay? So, now, we already finished our discussion about personal pronouns. And I hope you will always remember that because using personal pronoun is an important matter because we are always communicating with someone or to your classmate or to your mom. So, we should always use the correct way of using personal pronouns. So again, thank you grade 4 for listening and answering my questions while I am discussing. And I hope you will always remember what I taught you, okay? Again, Happy New Year grade 4 and see you when we will go back to our classes. Hope you enjoy your sem break. Goodbye. Happy holidays.